Okay, the lower piston case is just stuck in there. We're using friction, but a lot of times the oil from the beans and the coffee make it get stuck. So what you do is you take a flat tip screwdriver, and you go, there's a channel right here, and you twist it and the thing will pop out. Okay, so here's the piston. There's also the upper top piston stuck to it. Okay, so this is how it's assembled inside. There's the top piston body, or the mount, which goes right here. Okay, so this screws right through it, and this section right here, this is the top piston. So it's, like I said, it's been in there a while. So the only thing holding it in is this gaskets and the old coffee. There it goes. Just using a wooden tapper block. Okay, and I'm just gonna slowly carefully pop it out. Like I said, this machine's been sitting quite a while. Normally you don't have to do this. It should just slip right out, but with this machine sitting so long, wow, it's really in there. It's moving, but it's like really stuck. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you can see all the old coffee. It's still got coffee in there. Okay, so this is the upper piston. Hot water flows through it down in through the screen, though you can't see it right now. There's the screen. Okay, so this is what we're talking about, the gaskets. Okay, these are Teflon gaskets. There's two of them, one here, and we'll be removing that on another video. And along with the screen, there's holes inside. This is a fine mesh screen, so the coffee doesn't get past it, and it compresses it in this piston. Oh, here, in fact, this is a lower piston with all the coffee. Oh, that was a coffee puck. Oh, it's still got water in it. Wow. Okay, so here's the lower piston, and similar situation where there's gasket rings in this piston here, and it gets that's how the coffee gets compressed. Okay, and as you can see, these gaskets are really, I can't even move this. Okay, so again, okay. Okay, if you do use something to knock it on this side, watch out, the screen will get bent. Okay, because this is just a thin metal plate. Let me get some WD-40 in here. Okay, I might have to tap it down this way.